In this video, we will show you how to add a native PixelPerfect bar chart to a report template. In the PixelPerfect report editor, open the field list. Let's insert the table as a data binding by clicking the plus icon. From the available sheets, select the Qlik Sense chart you want to add as a table. In this case, we select Sales per Region. From the Toolbox panel, drag a chart onto the design surface. Select the blank chart, and then open the Properties menu. Under Chart Tasks, select Data Member, and choose the table you added as a data binding, in this case, Sales per Region. Right-click on the chart and select Run Designer. In the left panel of the Chart Designer, hover over Series and click the plus icon. In the menu, select Bar to create a bar chart series. In the Properties for Argument Data Member, use the drop-down menu to select the dimension, in this case, Region. Expand Value Data Members. In the Value drop-down menu, select Measure, in this case, Sales. Now we want to remove the labels and legend. In the Label Visibility drop-down menu, select False. Then select Chart in the left panel. Expand Legend and set the visibility to False. Now let's add a title to the chart. In the left panel, open the Titles and select a title position. Now add the chart title. Click OK to exit the Chart Designer. Increase the size of the chart. When done, click Save Template, and then preview the report. And here's the result. You have successfully created a PixelPerfect bar chart in your report. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.